Hey grade 3 drummers, how are we doing today? The sun is shining outside, but there's no place I'd rather be than in this studio teaching you one of the most iconic songs of all time. It's of course Sweet Child of Mine, written and performed by Guns N' Roses, drummed by Steve Adler. This is from the 2018 Trinity Rock Pop grade 3 book. It's one of the 3 technical focus songs available in the book, and it's so much fun to play. It's a great option, this. If you guys want to get your fix of classic rock, this is the song for you. So it begins, of course, at the start with the iconic slash guitar intro. That goes around for 8 bars. Make sure you guys are counting. If you're playing with a click version, that's nice and easy. Then we come in with some crashes and some rolls over here on the bell of the ride cymbal. So what I'm going to attempt to do, guys, is I'm going to play from about bar 9 right up to the end of bar 16, the first section of drumming. I'll play that for you, and then we'll go back through and we'll break it down. Here we go. Okay folks, so quite a lot going on there. We've got the crash cymbal on beat 1 of the bar, then we have to count 2, 3, 4.